Every year, thousands of tons of Cheetos are consumed worldwide. To meet this enormous demand, an extruder machine shapes 250,000 Cheetos every hour. But how are Cheese Cheetos made in factories? We visited the Frito-Lay plant to discover how one of the world's most popular snacks is produced. Cheetos were created in 1948 by Charles Dulin, founder of the Frito company. Dulin experimented with corn and extrusion techniques to develop new snacks. During his tests, he discovered that extruding and frying cornmeal resulted in a crispy and tasty product. Thus, Cheetos were born, quickly becoming a commercial success thanks to their irresistible combination of salt, cheddar cheese, and highly addictive flavorings designed to captivate the palate and make you want to eat one after another. Today, Frito-Lay produces approximately 4 million bags of Cheetos per day, equivalent to 18 tons per hour and over 1 billion bags per year. To manufacture such a large quantity, significant volumes of corn are required. The entire process begins with the harvest of corn, a key ingredient in production. High-starch yellow corn is used, ideal for the extrusion process, as it provides the characteristic crispy and fluffy texture of Cheetos. The harvest takes place when the kernels are fully mature and dry, with a moisture level of 15%. A harvester cuts the stalks below the ears and directs them into a drum where they are separated from the rest of the plant. Then the kernels pass through a ventilation system that removes dust and debris. The cleaned kernels are then stored in a container within the harvester and later transferred to trucks for transportation to production plants. At the factory, the corn is ground into fine cornmeal, which is sieved to remove impurities. At the Frito-Lay plant in Indiana, this cornmeal is stored in 100-ton silos. With this supply, approximately 2.5 million packs of Cheetos can be produced. The flour is transported to the production area using a suction system similar to an industrial vacuum cleaner. When production is at full capacity, up to 24 tons of cornmeal are used per shift, equivalent to 3 tanker trucks per day. Cheetos begin to take shape when the cornmeal is mixed with water, creating a moist but firm dough. The amount of water must be precise. Too much makes the dough sticky and too little makes it brittle. High-precision machines ensure a homogeneous mixture, guaranteeing that the future Cheetos will be light and crispy. The dough is fed through a tube into an extruder machine, an industrial device that applies high pressure and heat. The extruder is an industrial secret, and recording is not allowed, but it is responsible for giving them their distinctive shape. Inside the extruder, the corn dough reaches temperatures above 180 degrees Celsius and extreme pressures, turning it into a dense and homogeneous mixture. As the dough exits the extruder nozzle, it undergoes a rapid expansion due to a physical phenomenon known as flash expansion, giving it its crispy and airy texture. A rotating blade cuts the inflated dough into uniform pieces, ensuring consistency in every Cheeto. At this point, the Cheetos have neither color nor flavor. First, they go through a quality control process where they are weighed and measured to ensure they meet production standards. Then they are transported to a dryer that removes excess moisture. Next, the Cheetos are fried in hot oil at over 300 degrees Celsius for a few seconds, sealing in their crispy texture and giving them their characteristic golden color. Some varieties, instead of being fried, are baked, giving them a lighter but equally delicious texture. The next step is flavoring. Approximately 5,400 tons of cheddar cheese are used annually to produce Cheetos. This cheese is mixed with salt, oil, and other seasonings, forming a powder that is applied to the Cheetos in a giant rotating drum. Here, the Cheetos receive their characteristic orange coating, which adheres evenly to each piece. This powder, in addition to giving them their unmistakable flavor, leaves the famous orange residue on consumers' fingers, an iconic part of the Cheetos eating experience. After being seasoned, the Cheetos go through a cooling system to ensure they maintain their texture when packaged. High-tech sensors and cameras inspect each batch to verify it meets the standards for shape, size, and color. The quality control department analyzes salt, oil, and moisture levels before giving final approval. The finished Cheetos then move on to the packaging stage. In the process, automatic gates release the exact amount of Cheetos into weight verification machines, ensuring each bag contains the correct amount of product. The bags are filled and hermetically sealed at a speed of 100 bags per minute, preserving the snack's freshness and signature crunch. Subsequently, the packages are placed in cardboard boxes and stacked on pallets by automated robots. Each truck can be loaded with 33 pallets in just 8 minutes. The plant has 8 production lines, each capable of manufacturing around 28 tons of Cheetos per day. Every day, 55 trucks leave the factory to supply supermarkets and stores worldwide. If you're interested in learning how powdered milk is produced, check out the link in the description and the first comment. Like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might find it interesting. Also, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to keep learning.